Right, what jobs can we do in October? There's loads we can be doing, and I thought best share it. So, start again. What jobs can we be doing in October? Now, there's loads we can be doing. Don't think that we can't be setting seeds. There's still loads we can be setting too. There's winter veg, there's your broad beans, garlic. Get your garlic into. I set mine about 3 weeks ago, give them that head start. Normally with garlic, you set on the shortest day and you harvest on the longest. As soon as it's October, I think it's garlic time, which lines up with your alliums and your bulbs and your spring bulbs too. So I wouldn't plant tulips yet, but get your daffs in, get your crocus in, things like that. Get your start thinking about your spring bulbs. Now I've opened up my compost and I'm starting to mulch the beds too. That means that over the winter, all of the goodness out of that compost is going to enrich the soil, and they look tidy too. Tidy up your plants. So if you're starting to see yellowing on plants like your cocosmia, even agapanthus, things like that, take the leaves off. Spirea, things, tidy them up, get your plants looking in a nice shape for the winter. And even your hedges as well, get your hedges done. We've not got frost yet, so it's a great time, and the birds aren't nesting. Get your hedges tidied so they look tidy for a really long time and they're not growing too. What else have we got? And taking cuttings still taking lots of cuttings. When you're tidying up your lavenders, loads of opportunities for cuttings. Bring plants in for the winter as well. So I brought in some geraniums today. They'll be overwintered in the house. What have I got over there? I've got tulip cuttings, verbena cuttings, lavender cuttings, hydrangea cuttings. What else could you be doing in October? Mulching the beds, tidying up, wisteria, could be taking your whips off. Just getting things winter ready. So there we go, a nice bit of a list. You can aerate your lawns and scarify your lawns too, or put a bit of a winter feed on. I tend to we're thinking about last cuts now. It's not something I would generally do. But yeah, there we go. Happy gardening as always. Make sure you enjoy gardening. That's the main thing to do too. But that's me in the greenhouse today because it's chucking it down. I'm just about to eat my dinner as well. So have a great day and have a great weekend.